We are going to vote for unity of Nigeria. Yes, we are going to vote for equity, fairness, and justice. Yes. And that is why I salute the APC governors who came out to say, look, for this country to be united, for this country to move together as a country, as one united country, those who are greedy about power, you can get power, you may not have peace. It's not better to have peace, so that when you become president, you can govern the people well. Not so? So. Do you want a place that is in crisis? No. I'm going to vote for people who have interests of our state. Time has passed when you will tell me Rivers State doesn't produce a high number of votes. I have no problem about that. In return, what have you gotten? So you must tell Rivers people now, if we vote for you, this is what we have. Politics is you do for me, you fall for me, if you push me, if you love me. So if you have in mind to do that, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Because we carry a lot of grace. It is not our power. It is how it has been the Almighty God. We have never survived politically without people fighting us. Rapid chairmanship to them. So nobody should be afraid. This is the way we have always had it. At the end of the day, we shall be triumphed. So let nobody bother yourself.